Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Have you ever eaten juicy, spongy and fluffy Andhra style sweet medu vada? Mostly in Andhra on special occasions this sweet medu vada is prepared. But trust me, this is way more tastier and healthier while it is simply prepared with simple ingredients prepared in our kitchen. So today I'm going to show you the simple way to prepare this sweet medu vada, and trust me, you will truly enjoy this. Without any further delay, let's get into the process. Here I have taken black urad dal or unpolished black gram and I have soaked for an overnight. The reason why I have take this black gram or black urad dal is the fluffiness which we get in medu vada is the secret. So do not throw the skin away, but after soaking for an overnight, wash it for 4 to 5 times and by placing a sieve so that the skin won't drain out. Now after cleaning it properly, take a blender and add little by little the black gram and then blend it into a paste like consistency, but it should not be in a dosa by adding more water, or it should not be hardened too. On the other hand, take jaggery or ghud and add 1 full glass of water and put it on stove and allow it to melt on low flame. Now see, without adding too much of water, the consistency should be like this for preparing our vada or medu vada. So this is the perfect consistency. So you need to blend it like this. You should not be too porey or runny. Then if you're done with the blending, put it aside and add oil sufficient for deep frying and then allow it to heat. Now our jaggery is also melting slowly. Now add salt to taste in the batter and then you need to mix it thoroughly by placing your fingers far away, and then you need to beat it thoroughly so that the air bubbles in the batter will escape, and that gives you a smooth and fluffy medu vada. This is the secret, so you need to follow this. So whenever you're putting or placing the vada in the oil, before that you need to gently spread your fingers and then you need to beat it thoroughly so that there are no air bubbles. So my mom is an expert in preparing medu vada, so she's put it on her hand and then like this, she with the help of her thumb she prepared the shape. If you are very new, then you can take a round shape ladle which we use for rasam or sambar, and then you can place the batter on top of it and put a hole, and then you can gently drop it in the oil. Now once you're done, you need to fry them on medium to high flame only. So once you get this golden brown color, time to drop them into the jaggery syrup. Now our jaggery syrup should not be too thick nor too thin. It should just be like the syrup which we prepare for gulab jamuns. So that consistency will be enough. So the secret, another tip for juicy and fluffy and spongy sweet medu vada is, as soon as you fry in the oil, directly take them out and then add into the jaggery syrup. If you delay, the outer coat gets thickened and the jaggery syrup won't enter into the medu vada, and that becomes very hard. So the secret here is you need to take unpolished black gram and then you need to beat it with your fingers wide apart so that the air bubbles escape. And the third one is you need to fry them and then add directly from the oil pan into the jaggery syrup bowl. So with these 3 tips, you can enjoy juicy, spongy, cloud-like, fluffy, sweet medu vada. Not only for Andhra, if you have these ingredients at home, you too can enjoy this sweet medu vada. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. And also please like, share, comment and subscribe.